Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tweak your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro to make it pop even more. Now, currently, I have my Yeti microphone hooked up to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. All you have to do is just get an adapter, and you can hook your condenser microphone up to your cell phone, and it sounds pretty good. But in Adobe Premiere Pro, I'm going to show you how to make it pop to the point where it sounds even more professional. So stay tuned. For that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. Also, feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know you were there. Also, if you have any ideas on what videos I should make in the future, drop those comments below, or share this video for someone that's new to video editing. This is really, once you know how to follow these steps, you too will be editing with no problem. And this is, like I said, these tutorials are for the beginners and intermediate. And we're going to have some advanced tutorials in the future. But like I said, share this video with someone that is learning Adobe Premiere Pro for the first time and they want to get their audio right. Share this video with them. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this video over to Adobe Premiere Pro and we're going to get started. Guys, so we're in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tweak this audio. So we're going to, first off, we're going to create a new sequence. Go to File, New, and Sequence. 1080p is fine. Let's go there. So let's go ahead and tweak some of this audio. I'm just going to take a little bit, a portion of this video, not all of it. All right, not all of it. Drag it down to the timeline. Keep existing settings. That's fine. Let's just go ahead and open this up a little bit. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to click on the video. All right, click on the video. We're going to go up to audio. Let's just hear how it sounds. But I hope this helped. Okay, so we have our audio here. So what we're going to do is, well, first of all, usually it starts right here. Usually in your software, you'll be in this screen right here. I hope that. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Audio Track Mixer and you're going to go right here to the left. It's got to have a drop down menu. Just click on that. And this is where we want to be right here. This is where we're going to add some enhancements to our audio. And as you see right here to the right, there's some drop down menus here, and we're going to click on these and add our enhancements. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here. We're going to go to, what are we going to add first? We're going to add some filter and EQ, and we're going to go to, wait, hold on, filter and EQ, going to go down to parametric equalizer. Then we're going to double click on parametric equalizer up here. So we're going to go to default, drop down, and go to vocal enhancer. See this little L right here? We're gonna drag this all the way up. We're gonna really tweak this audio. Come all the way to the right. This dot right here. We're gonna bring it in a little bit. That's fine. All right. And we're gonna see how it plays right now. I hope this helped. Okay, it's starting to sound, as you can see, it's starting to give you a little bit of pop, but we're not finished. We're going to add some more enhancements. We're going to add a little bit of amplitude and compression. We're going to drop down to multi-band compressor. We are going to click on this. And you see where it says default? We are going to drop it down to broadcast. That's what we're going to do. There's a lot of, as you can see here, there's a lot of things you can add here, but we're just going to, for the sake of this, to enhance our audio, we're just going to go to broadcast. Anywhere down here, the threshold, I like to change this to around -5 dB. That's usually about right for me for the room I'm in. But like I said, you want to tweak these numbers to get the best audio for your situation. So we're going to see how it sounds. I hope this helped. As you can see, it's adding a little bit more pop to the audio right now. And if you want to see how it sounds before and after, you just click this off. But I hope that click it back on. This help, if you work. So it's starting to pop a little bit, but we're going to add a little bit more flavor to this audio. We're going to take out a little bit of noise because a little bit of noise in the background. We're going to go drop down. We're going to go to noise reduction and restoration, and we're going to go to denoise. Double click on denoise, and we're going to bring this amount down. I like to bring it down to 10. Just play around with it to see what works best for your audio. 11 is good. And then we're going to see how this sounds. But I hope this helped, if you're working with an external microphone like this. But I hope this helped. Let me just go back in here for a second. We're going to tweak it a little bit more. If you're working with an external microphone like this. Yeah, around 10 or 11 is good for me. Let's keep it at 10. Now, the last thing I like to do is I like to go to amplitude and compression and dynamics. Double click. Here where it says a dB, I like to tweak this a little bit. I'm going to keep it at -30. But like I said, play around with these numbers. I like to keep it between -30 and -40. But like I said, you're going to have to tweak these numbers to see what works best for your audio, okay? So we're going to go ahead and this is in the audio gate section. And then you'll go to threshold and then play with these numbers. Like I said, -30 is good with me in my situation. Now we're going to see how it sounds again. But I hope this helped, So as you can see, the audio, I'm going to play the before and after in this video. But as you can see, the audio, this is how you amplify your audio and make it pop even more. If you're not using external software, you can use the software right in here in Premiere Pro and make this pop really good. All right, guys, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. Like I said, drop a comment below and let me know what other videos you want me to make. Give me some ideas. And also, if this helped you, share it with someone that's new to video editing. Make sure you do that. So if you want your audio to sound like this, you can. It's really simple to do. Just follow step by step, pause, come back, and you too will master your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. And so, yeah, make sure you drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. Peace.